Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to cook boiled yam and potato together. So this is my boiled yam. I've peeled it and I've washed it, I've sliced it. So now it's on the fire. So I'm going to boiling them together. Then after that I'll prepare my sauce separate, my tomato sauce with egg. So now food is boiling. I'm going to cover it and move to this. So now this is tomato, onions and pepper, just little of pepper. Then this is my groundnut oil for this sauce. And this is the main pepper and crayfish I'm going to use it for this tomato sauce. And this is the non-chicken I'm going to use. This egg, and I'm just going to use only 1 cube of non-chicken. So now I'm back to the yam. The yam is not really done like that, so I'm going to cover it and let it done more. So on the other hand, I'm going to put my frying pan on the fire and try the water with the heat. Then now I'm about to put my groundnut oil. So I'm going to let the groundnut oil get hot for putting anything. So now I'm putting tomatoes and onions with some little pepper. So I'm going to let the tomatoes to cook. So now I'm stirring it. So now I'm putting the Maggi. Now I'm about to put the crayfish and the remaining pepper. Then little salt. I'm stirring it to mix up together. So now it's time for me to mix the egg. So I'm going to let the egg fry little before stirring it together. So now it's time for me to start stirring it so it won't get burnt. I don't like my egg to look brown. I love it when it's white. So I'm stirring it together to mix up. So now it's time for me to serve the food. So the food is done already. My sauce is done and I think the yam is done, so I'm going to check it off camera. So now it's time for me to serve myself. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share. And goodbye for now.